yes, we are almost done with the series. So today we are going to work our abs, our back and our booty with the Pilates ball. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And before we do, please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, that you like and comment and share my videos, and you let your friends and family know about the 7 days to Christmas series. Alright, now let's get into it. Hello everyone, we have made it to day 6 of the 7 days to Christmas. Today we are working our glutes. Alright, so this is a very good exercise, to effective exercise to work your glutes, especially since you're on your toes. It's gonna be really the burn is gonna be really effective because you're also working your calves when you're on your toes. So just take the ball in your hand in this manner. It just helps to keep your posture in check. It gives you a reminder. For me personally, it gives me a reminder that I need to keep the principles in mind and keep going. So for the second exercise, you can see that we have folded our leg and only the one leg goes on our toes and the second leg goes completely straight, and then we come down. It's a simple exercise. You can see what I'm doing. It's just a matter of developing the core strength to be able to actually perform this exercise. So yeah, repeat it on both sides, folding legs on both sides. And note that when I pick up my leg, I'm also pressing the ball in between my in between my hands. Yeah, and keep breathing. When you go up, make sure you exhale. When you come down, make sure you inhale, and your core is engaged throughout. And when you go up, try to squeeze your butt, right? And try to have fun. It's a fun exercise, and it's something that will definitely give you a great tone in your glutes area. It did for me for sure, right? Now, after this exercise, we are moving on into just this simple coming up on our toes. You are going to pick up your pelvis up as well, sort of like a hip lift. And along with the hip lift, your toes also come off the mat. And when your hands reach out, you're pressing the ball in between your fingers. Your hands. Whatever, fingers, hands, the same thing. You get what I'm saying. You all are extremely intelligent, I know that. And for the next exercise, this is amazing. This will give you an extra challenge to pick your legs up without falling off the ball. So try to keep your ball as close to your as close to your tailbone as possible. Keep your core engaged and just pick up your legs one by one. And do not underestimate this exercise. I am actually pulling up my legs with core power because the ball actually gives an added challenge. It kind of deters you from picking up the leg effectively. Now we are going to cycle on the ball. So I am still on the ball and I am now focused on just moving my legs in a cycling position. This felt great towards my lower abs. Definitely got that lower ab burn. And this I would definitely recommend you to do this even if you don't have a ball. You should definitely do this exercise because it's good for your abs. All right, so that's about this exercise. For the next exercise, it's my favorite, the teaser. You get into a teaser, you roll yourself down, you make the ball travel through your legs like this. You come again into the teaser, come again down on the floor, and then again crisscross with the ball and come up. Now through the exercise, your core is engaged, you're getting a great burn on your abs, believe me, and you keep breathing. You do thoracic breathing and you perform the exercise. When you roll down, you make sure that you are articulating your spine rather than just falling down. Now we're working our back, ladies and gentlemen. This exercise is wonderful. All your limbs are in the air, your core is engaged, your butt is squeezed,
and you are simply rotating the ball like this. This has worked my back extensors so well that I feel like I've developed a better posture. Now for this exercise, we have basically we are doing the circles for our lower abs, but keeping the other leg sort of firm on the mat helps you to work on that stability. It also instructs that other leg that's on the mat to stay down on the mat stably as if you are on cement. That's it for today. Hope you'll enjoyed it. Bye bye.
Alright everyone, that was it for day 6. I hope you all had a great workout. Now we are going to enter into day 7 soon, and we're going to have a great workout tomorrow as well. So make sure that you are there tomorrow for day 7, which is the last day of the series, which means that we are going to have even more fun and an even better workout tomorrow. So see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye.